Hey Charles, I heard the term Gemba in a meeting today. It sounds interesting, but what does it actually mean?
Great question, Anna. Gemba is a Japanese word that means the real place. In quality management, it refers to the actual location where work happens, whether it's a factory floor, a service desk, or a hospital ward. The idea behind Gemba is simple. To truly understand a process, you need to go and see it firsthand.
So, instead of relying on reports and data, you actually go to where the work is being done?
Exactly. Many managers try to solve problems from their offices, but Gemba encourages direct observation. When you visit the workplace, you see real challenges, talk to the people doing the work, and understand what's happening in real time.
That makes a lot of sense. But how does it help improve quality?
Well, let's say a company is having high defect rates in manufacturing. Instead of just looking at reports, a quality manager practicing Gemba would go to the production line, watch the process, talk to workers, and identify issues firsthand. Maybe they'll notice a machine isn't calibrated properly, or that employees are following outdated procedures. This kind of insight is hard to get from just reading numbers.
So, Gemba helps uncover hidden problems that data alone might not reveal?
Exactly. And it's not just for manufacturing. In healthcare, doctors and nurses can improve patient care by observing hospital workflows. In retail, managers can understand customer behavior by spending time on the store floor. Even in IT, going to where software is being used can help identify usability issues.
That's really practical. But what should someone do when they go to Gemba? Just observe?
Good question. A Gemba walk usually follows 3 key steps. 1. Go and see. Observe the process without assumptions. Look at how things are really done, not how you think they're done. 2. Ask why. Talk to employees and understand their challenges. Why do errors happen? Why is there a delay? 3. Show respect, don't point fingers. Employees are the experts in their jobs, so the goal is to support them, not blame them.
So, it's about learning from the people who do the work instead of just making decisions from a distance?
Exactly. When leaders practice Gemba, they make better decisions, employees feel valued, and quality improves naturally. It's a win-win.
That's really powerful. Where can I learn more about applying Gemba in quality management?
Quality Gurus offers courses on lean management and quality tools, which cover Gemba, process improvement, and real-world applications. Understanding these concepts can help anyone improve their workplace, no matter the industry.
That sounds great. I'll check it out. Thanks, Charles.
You're welcome, Anna. Remember, the best way to understand a process is to go and see it for yourself. That's the power of Gemba.
Thanks for your time and support. Stay connected with me to learn more interesting pharmacological studies. Must ask any question or confusion in comment box. Let me know which medicine information you want next. Thank you.